In this video, you'll learn how to easily boost photo quality in Canva with its built-in tools. To get started, open the sidebar and choose the relevant tool, such as the custom size options. This lets you access different features you may need to edit your project. Next, upload your image file and select it from the file list to bring it into your design workspace. This allows you to begin working on the photo you want to enhance. Now, resize the image frame as needed. Adjusting the size makes sure your photo fits your project perfectly. Create a new design or project so you can work on a fresh canvas for your edited image. Then open the Apps section. Search for image enhancement tools by typing keywords like "im" in the search bar, and matching features will appear. Next, select the Upscale Image tool. Confirm your choice to access the Image Upscaling Feature app. Choose the upscaling resolution, such as 4x or 8x, depending on your quality needs. Press the Upscale button to enhance your photo's quality using Canva's AI-powered tool. When upscaling is finished, click the Replace button to update your design with the improved image and complete the process. As you can see, the enhanced photo looks much clearer and higher quality than the original low-quality image. That's all for enhancing photo quality in Canva. Now your images will look their best.